Another day, another story. Making pizza at home is a fun and delicious activity. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon instant yeast, ½ a teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon olive oil, pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese. Toppings of your choice, e.g. pepperoni, mushrooms, onions, bell peppers, etc. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine the flour, yeast, and salt. Mix well. Add the warm water and olive oil to the bowl. Stir until the dough starts to come together. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes, until it becomes smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a clean, lightly oiled bowl. Cover with a clean towel and let it rise in a warm place for about an hour, or until it doubles in size. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Roll out the dough on a floured surface, using a rolling pin or your hands, until it is about 1/4 inch thick. Transfer the dough to a baking sheet or pizza stone. Spread a layer of pizza sauce over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce, then add your desired toppings. Bake the pizza for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Remove from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy!